With QuickBooks Online Advanced, your team can submit their expenses with categories and upload receipts for you to review. This helps you track and record employee expenses all in one place. Let's learn how to set up a team member so they can submit expenses with receipts, track, and record their expenses. Go to Expenses, Expense Claims, and select Manage Settings. First, you choose which employees can submit expenses. Select Manage Employees. Then select the employee's name from the list. If you don't see their name on the list, select Add New and set them up. Select Next and enter their contact info. Then Save. QuickBooks emails an invitation to them, and once they confirm the invitation, they can log in and submit their own expenses. You can invite more or select Manage Settings to go back to your settings. Once your team is set up, you need to set up the categories they can use when they submit expenses. Select Manage Categories. Enter a nickname, which is the name they'll see when they submit their expenses, and choose the category from the drop-down menu that you want employees to be able to record expenses for. This helps limit their choices to the most relevant categories and assign names they'll recognize. Select Save and set up all the categories they'll need. Let's look at what your team sees when they submit their expenses. Your team can submit expenses manually, submitting all the details of the expense themselves. Or they can upload a picture of the receipt, and QuickBooks submit the details for them. When they submit the expense, they assign a category and add any other details about the purchase. As an admin, you'll receive notification when there is a new expense to review. Review the information and make any adjustments, and save the expense to add it to your books. From the Expense Claims tab from the expense, you can see anything waiting for review and expenses you've already reviewed. Now you're ready to set up your team to submit their expenses and track them in QuickBooks Online Advanced.